Hello, my name is Nikhil and today we are going to be making Kori Kurumulugu soup, which is chicken pepper soup. So without wasting time, let's jump into action. The ingredients are 250 grams of chicken, some cumin seeds, whole peppercorn, pepper powder, 2 finely chopped onions, ginger, garlic and coriander stem, curry leaves, and salt to taste. Now we are going to be adding the ginger, garlic and coriander stock into the grinder, and we will be making a nice paste out of it. This is the ginger, garlic and coriander stock paste. Coriander stock brings a nice lightness and freshness to your dish. So I suggest you start adding them in many of your curries and gravies and see how it enhances the flavor. We are going to be making the soup in a pressure cooker. So first we are going to be adding some coconut oil. You can use any refined oil of your choice. After the oil heats up, we are going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. And we will keep stirring them for a while. Then, when the cumin seed starts spluttering, we will be adding 1 teaspoon of whole peppercorn. And we will mix it along with the cumin seeds. Now that they have mixed together, it's time to add 2 small finely chopped onions. As you can see, the onions will start mixing well with the peppercorn and the cumin seeds. So we have to keep sauteing this onion until it becomes nice and translucent. Now we are going to add some curry leaves to the dish and we'll keep mixing for about 2 minutes. As you can see, the onions have become nice and translucent. So it's time to add the ginger, garlic and coriander stock paste into the pressure cooker. We have to keep stirring this mixture until the raw smell of the ginger garlic goes. We have now added the chicken to the pressure cooker. So along with this we will be adding 2 tablespoons of pepper powder and some salt to taste. And we have to keep mixing until the chicken mixes very nicely with the masala. The chicken has mixed well with the masala. So now we are going to be adding 500 ml of water so that the chicken can cook for a while. We will close the pressure cooker, put the weight and let the chicken cook for 4 to 5 whistles. We let the chicken cook for 5 whistles. Then we removed the lid after all the steam was let out. Then we tore the flesh of the chicken, added the flesh back into the soup, and after adjusting the seasonings, we are letting the soup come to a boil. We are going to be frying some garlic and adding it into the soup. For that, we are going to take some butter in a kadai and wait for it to become hot. Then we will add finely chopped garlic into it and wait and fry them until they are nice and brown. We will also add little pepper as a seasoning. As you can see, the garlic is nice and brown. So now we are going to be adding it to our soup. And we will stir for 2 minutes. Kori Kurumalaga soup is ready. Transfer it into serving bowls and enjoy.